TrulyFun Toys! Today, we're going to play these mini trains. Make sure to stay tuned to open these Thomas and Fun's mini surprise eggs on the end of this video. Mickey. This is James. He comes from Sodor. He is called Splattered James. This is Glow in the Dark Gordon. He's the number 4. Toot! This is Diesel. He is from this Diesel Works. Now let's try some of these trains on the track. Now I'm going to spin this switch this way. And on this track, they do a flip. Alright, let's open these Thomas and Mini surprise bags. Oh my gosh, look at the train we got. It's Spooky Bill.
Cool.
Let's see if we can find him on our paper. I found him!
Yeah!
Spooky Bill. Let's open up another one. I don't have this engine! It's Shima! Space Shima! All the time I wanted Shima. She's Space Shima, purple, black, and white. Look how cool she is. Yay! I always wanted a Shima. Let's see if we can find her on our paper. I found her! Yay! These trains we got in these surprise bags. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hi. Hello. Today, we're going to open a Mario Kart surprise box. Pie box. In this box, there's 10 Mario Kart toys. Let's open it up. Mario Kart surprise balls. Because there's 10 balls to open, and there's 2 of us, we get to get 5 balls to open. Yay! I want to try this one. Me too. It's Yoshi! He comes with a sticker too. And it shows us, there's even DK!
Cool.
Right there. And they're also wind-ups.
Yeah!
Very fast. Who is it? Wario! We're doing the ones that we don't have. Wario. Hooray! Cool. There, Ryan. Who is it? at that. It's Metal Peach.
Yeah!
She's pink. Keep going on. You want me to open it for you? No. Ooh, he's strong. Luigi! Let's open him up. Now I'm going to open this one.
Hooray!
Yay! I have Wyatt and Ryan has food. That means we have 2 more each. Whoa, it's Metal Peach. Wow, she looks pink. Now we each have one to play with.
Hooray!
Even she has a crown. Hey! Now it's Ryan's turn to open his shell. Going live. Ooh, he's a strong boy.
Yay!
Want it. Now we each have one open. Ooh, the same as Ryan. Ryan. Each one has one. Yeah.
Use
Use.
Hooray!
Yay, we opened up doors and Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe to see more of our videos. Bye. Goodbye.